I think we are going to see silver price move down over the next few days based on what Powell says.
If the totality of the data were to indicate that faster tightening is warranted, we'd be prepared to increase the pace of rate hikes.
Here is a screenshot from my video I posted yesterday, and these were the probabilities at that time for the rate hike at the next FOMC meeting. So it was a 69% chance of a 25 basis point rate hike, 30% chance of a 50 basis point rate hike, and I'll show you the updated probabilities in a second. But first, listen to what I said about the 50 basis point rate hike. However, 30% chance that there's going to be a 50 basis point rate hike. If this happens, this is going to be really bearish for precious metals. Obviously, the higher rates go, the stronger the dollar will get. And because silver is essentially the opposite of the dollar, we could see silver move a lot lower. Here are the updated probabilities after Powell spoke. You can see it essentially switched. Now there's a 33% chance of only a 25 basis point rate hike, and a 66% chance of a 50 basis point rate hike. Obviously, Powell speaking has had a huge effect on the probabilities here. It's looking like they're going to do a larger rate hike at the next meeting, and this has pushed silver price lower. Currently, silver is down 93 cents for the day, so silver is getting crushed. Is it going to continue to fall? It seems that way. We are so close to silver going under $20 an ounce. I think it could happen today. It could happen tomorrow. Could happen later this week. Who knows? But it's almost a certainty silver price is going back down into the teens. I am going to be buying the dip today. I think it's a great time to be buying silver. Whenever it's in the red, whenever it drops like $1, you basically just need to buy silver no matter what. So that's what I'm doing. It's pretty amazing that Jerome Powell speaking can have such an effect on the price of silver. But I mean, when you realize silver is just going to do the opposite of whatever the dollar does, it does make sense. And he is the chairman for the Fed, right? I mean, this is the central bank for America. They literally print the dollars that we use. So his words have an incredible amount of power. Whenever I see the price of silver get crushed like it is today, it leaves me with a sense of excitement that I'm able to buy even more silver today than I was the day before. I mean, these lower prices truly are a blessing because we know that in the long run, silver is likely to go so much higher than it is right now. The dollar is going to get crushed in the future. The dollar is so strong right now. I mean, think about when the Fed pivots and they actually have to start lowering rates. This is going to be so extremely bullish for precious metals. So I would say be excited about these lower prices. If you're new to silver and you've recently bought some and you're kind of thinking, maybe I made a mistake, maybe I should have waited, or maybe I shouldn't have bought at all, that's the wrong mentality. You should be a contrarian investor. Buy when the price is low, not when the price is high. You want to buy silver when no one's talking about it, right? The media, the news, they're not talking about silver. I mean, it's like at 40% of its all-time high. But once silver price starts moving up, the media, they will be talking about silver. When it goes to $30, $40, $50 an ounce, they will be covering it. They're going to say, wow, silver's at an all-time high. How high is it going to go? And a lot of people are going to start investing at that point. So anyway, I'm going to end the video there. It's kind of a short one today, but I would appreciate if you smash that thumbs up to help spread the word about silver. Put a comment down below in the comment section. What silver are you picking up today? And I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.